Okay. Don't click off the video. In less than 2 minutes, I'm gonna give you the 2 productivity hacks that I've implemented in my adult life to stay productive, effective, and not burn out. So as a thank you for liking and subscribing down below, here is a funny meme.
No, bro. Nah, look at him.
Oh my god, look at his eyes.
Awesome, thanks. So my name is Dan, welcome back to Executive Functions Coach, and here are my 2 productivity hacks. The first one is I do not multitask. I like to pick one thing and stay very focused on that one thing. What does this actually do for me? When I'm actually staying focused on just one thing and one thing only, I'm actually able to finish it faster, do a good job, and feel super happy about it. And I think that last part is so important. Oftentimes we rush through work, we have so many things on our mind and we're really like multitasking in our brain that we're not able to actually focus on what we're trying to do. We do a poor job because we're rushing and we're anxious. But when we're able to block everything out and just focus on one thing, put our phones on airplane, put a do not disturb sign on my door, then what that actually does is it allows us to feel happy and satisfied about how effective, efficient, and productive we were in doing that one thing. Right? And what I always like to do, and this is my second productivity hack, is after I finish one thing, I like to take a 5-minute break. And that 5-minute break allows me to rejuvenate, re-energize, and get ready for the next thing that I want to do. And the next thing I want to do, I actually haven't decided on it until after I take my break. Right? And that's really the key, is like, don't multitask in our head. Don't multitask and take breaks. And that will allow you, or me, and everybody else in the world to stay productive without burning out. That was actually less than 2 minutes. Awesome. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.